Alright, let's talk about some weird and gross science today. This is the same science experiment that is in your admenum if you're doing admenum. I'm going to demonstrate it just so that you can see how the parts all fit together. This is the science experiment for the 7th grade. If my voice sounds a little bit muffly, that's because I'm wearing a mask, because this is going to be really stinky. So in this container right here, I'm going to move my camera so you can see it a little better. I have what used to be an egg. I took the egg and I put it in vinegar so that the hard shell came off. And as you can see, this egg is very squishy. If I drop it down in here, it bounces. And this is what this is supposed to model. This is supposed to be like a cell. So on the outside, what's left of the shell is just this squishy but very, very strong membrane. We think of eggs as cracking and breaking all the time, but you can see this membrane is actually pretty tough. That's the membrane right there. That's holding all the insides in. It's making it so that when I touch the egg, my fingers don't go right through it. The membrane is like the skin around the outside that's left after this vinegar. Now, this already smells pretty bad. It's about to smell pretty ridiculous. So if you are doing this at home, make sure you have a parent permission to do so, because there will definitely be evidence left behind. It's going to smell. Alright, this egg has been sitting in vinegar all week. It's very, very stinky, and on the inside it does not smell any better. So I'm going to take a kitchen knife. Again, if you're doing this at home, make sure you have a parent present with you to make sure everything is safe. You wouldn't want to get hurt with this, especially with all these gross smelly chemicals everywhere. You don't want to get sick. So I'm going to take this egg and I'm going to cut through the membrane. Alright? And inside, that ooey gooey juice that came out, that is the cytoplasm of the egg. And boy, does it smell bad. It smells like vinegar and egg mixed together and made their own little smell. Alright, so this gooey stuff in here, that used to be the egg white, this is the cytoplasm of your cell. Every cell has cytoplasm inside. That's the juice inside of the egg. It's kind of like jello, kind of sticky and slimy. And this right here, this is the yolk. This is the nucleus of the cell. So in admenum, when it asks you what part of the cell each of the parts of the egg shows you, this is the answers. Alright, this right here that was around the outside of my egg, that's the cell membrane. This ooey gooey juicy stuff, this vinegar egg white in here, that's the cytoplasm. And this yolk is the nucleus. And that is modeling for you how the parts of the cell go together and what a cell is like if we could make one that was really, really large, like a chicken egg.